So you all know that you are might like familiar with EDA, that means exploratory data analytics. Okay. Uh, I'll share my screen and write something so that it's an easy. But give I want to give the overview regarding it. So if the term comes with EDA, okay. What is EDA? You all know that EDA is exploratory data analytic system. So in this process, whatever like what you want to do that can increase your efficiency, your work efficiency, so it can summarize the main characters of the dataset. Okay, so it can summarize the things like thing like that. Apart from this, it can give the uncover like if any underlying structure is there, it can work with that. Okay, it can extract from import like different variable. Sometime it can work on to identify the outliers, okay, and the missing values. If you are stuck into some checking assumption, so it can help you to do it. Apart from this, it can give you the idea like further data transformation and modeling. So this thing will help you to do. Apart from this, EDAs give you a straight cut vision to you guys, that like the analytics things that can help you to understand the data set before applying some whatever like machine learning and statistical model. So EDA plays a critical role. So you have to learn this thing. Some procedure we have to follow. Like whenever you perform EDA, you have to like maintain some steps so that you can easily do it. Uh, Apart from this, if I talking about the vision of EDA or goals, so it's simple, very simple. So you have to understand the structure of the dataset, in which structured right now you are there. You have to detect the outlier or anomalies. Uh, you have to find the pattern, the relationship between the variable. Okay, you have to check the distribution of the like feature. You have to figure out the identify if any missing values or incorrect data in your system or in your data set. Okay, you have to visualize your data. So this kind of things you can easily do, and it's very easy to perform. Okay, so when you are performing ADA, some library help you. So in this class, in our curriculum, we have pandas and Seaborn that can help you to figure it out. Okay, so you all know that pandas is like it help you to data loading, manipulation things, and summarization things. And you heard today one new thing, that is Seaborn. Okay, so Seaborn is also a Seaborn is actual the advanced some statistical things that can help you to visualize something. We'll see what it is and how it work. Okay. So I hope you guys are already installed this thing. So already you guys are installing your system NumPy and Pandas also. But the thing is that how you can install. I'm not sharing my screen right now. Okay, give me a moment. I'll share it. It's visible, right? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, yeah. So today is our session, that is 14, and we have to discuss regarding EDA with pandas and C1. One thing, one student is asking something. Who is this? I don't know. They told, sir, give me some reference, like how to gain more knowledge in Python. So after doing this class, I immediately create something for you guys and give some like where you can refer. So I hope this PDF you guys are received. I think Priyanka is asking for this.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah, so I hope you are getting this info and do
Yes, sir.
little bit practice. Okay, cool. Okay. So I'm telling that for this EDA things you can perform in Jupyter Notebook, or you can use VS Code using setup the environment. Okay, just simply you have to install these libraries, pandas you already installed, and for Seaborn you can like you have to write uh, pip install Seaborn. Okay,
Yeah.
so mm, give me a moment. Yeah. The thing is that how you can install the Cburn. It's very easy. So for this, you have to install that pip install. You all know, and Cburn. So using this, it can take some time, and it's automatically installed in your system. Cburn. Okay. Uh, Apart from this, you can install the matplotlib also. It can help you to some visualization things. So after installing, you can check the version, it's installing in system or not. So for this you have to write sns dot underscore, I'm writing it here, sns dot underscore version, version, and underscore. Okay, after entering these things you can see that it's installed in a system. Okay, so this is the things regarding EDA. I will do in deep dive one by one. So how, now the thing is that how we can uh, do it. Okay, I'll tell you some more info that's help you. So whenever you perform EDA, you have to follow some things. Okay, so first you have to import your libraries, whatever you have required. Okay, so right now I showcase you in using pandas and Seaborn, but those people are interested to apply in Matplotlib. You can use this apart from this like warning is there, you can do it. So step one, you have to remember that you have to define your libraries. Import import the requirement libraries. Okay, whichever you requirement libraries. Okay, so for this here we are using like pandas and seaborn. So for this we are we are write like that, import pandas as pd, uh, and import seaborn as essence. Okay, so now the thing is that you have some data set, how you can pull it. So for this you have to upload your whatever file you have to upload here. So you have to read your data set. So how you can do it? So you all know that. So for this you have to write data function equal to pd dot read underscore csv, and within double quote you have to you have to paste your path. Okay, where you have the csv file. So you can write data function is equal to pd dot read underscore csv, and here you can define your path. Okay, and at here you have to write like you have to print these things so that you can pull it. So print df dot head. Okay, so you all know that when we use head, so basically whenever we pull 2 3 4 5 any fast row data, so you can use head for it. Okay, uh, Next thing is you have to analyze your data. So for this you have to write some things like save, info, okay, describe. This thing you have to sometimes it's required. Then we'll discuss how it is. Okay. So third thing is regarding the analyze the data, analyzing your data. So here we sometimes you guys see that we are writing that df sorry guys df dot save. Okay, so save is basically a function where we guys when we are use something to understand the number of the rows. Okay, number of the rows and column in our data set. So in whenever it's required, so we are using step. Okay, again I am telling, so it's a function to understand the number of the rows and column in your data set. Okay, uh, understand the number of rows and columns. So that's the way to figure out the shape. Okay. If you are talking about df.info. Okay. So this is the basic things you will learn it, but I want to give a clear idea about it so that I'm go to deep dive into it. So info is basically a function that can help you to understand the data set uh, which showcasing the number of the record of each column. Okay, what I said, I'm again repeating. The number that like it's a function. Okay, it's a function that can give you the understanding of the data set. Okay, that can show the number of the record uh, in each column. Okay, apart from this type of the data, whether any value are missing and how much the memory of the data set you use. So this kind of information is passed by df.info. Hope you understand. Okay. Mm, Next, sometimes we are using describe things. Okay. So df dot describe, describe. So why we are using describe? So it's a method. Okay, it's a method that give you the statistical things of the data frame. Okay, count, mean, standard deviation, minimum. So this kind of information, numerical information is providing by describe. So again I am telling, so in the data frame it can showcase the value of uh, like count, mean, standard deviation, minimum, this kind of mathematical things are described by describe. Okay, described by describe. Next, if you are talking about column dot to list, it's sometime required, but not every time. So it's basically help you to convert your column name into data frame. Okay, so using it you can do it. One thing is required, that is df dot is null. So here I add something you can told some also. So whenever you are checking for some missing values. Okay, so in each column, so whenever you are checking some missing values in each column, and it's in return if you are getting the total number of the null values. Okay, what it is, if you are getting the total number of null values, so per column it can help you to identify the gap in your data. So that's why we are using is null. Okay, so this is the things usually we write whenever we write some query. Okay, so this is the things. Now we'll move to how we can perform it to a better approach. Okay. Okay, cool. I hope these things is clear for you guys.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yeah, thank you guys. Next, moving to whenever you did like EDA, so you have to follow some steps. Okay, I'll tell you. First step is I tell you that like import the libraries. Okay, so it's the one of the important things. You have to import your libraries like pandas, matplotlib, seaborn, whatever you have. First you have to again I am writing, so this thing I write for giving a overview that how you can work with that. Now we'll move to some steps. Okay, so these steps you have to remember whenever you write the EDA queries. Sorry guys. So okay, I'm writing here step one. So again you have to import the libraries. Okay, I'm not writing the steps. It's very simple. I'm writing import pandas as PD. Next, we are working to Seaborn. Okay, so import Seaborn as SNS. Okay. If you're interested to install matplotlib, so you can define like that import matplotlib import matplotlib dot pyplot. So here you have to write pyplot plot as in short form we can write PLT. Okay, so this is the approach to define the libraries. Next, moving to you have to load your data set. Okay, so whatever data set you have, so for this you have to write step 2 is regarding load. What is happening? Load the data set. Uh, for this you have to uh, in previously what I said, you can write like that df dot pd dot read underscore csv, and within this you have to define the path. Okay, in this way you can pull the data set. Okay, I hope this thing is clear, and you can use the like head to pull the front data also. Next we are moving to understand the data set. Okay, whatever data set you have to deal with carefully. So step C is understand your data set. Okay, UNDER is understand your data set. But see, again, I'm telling these things like whatever we learn now, we implement these things. Okay. So, first line we can write like that. We try to save the data set. Okay. So that's why we can write. Uh, let's suppose I want to save of the data set. So, you can write like you can pull the data. So I'm writing directly print dot like print shape uh, like that tf dot shape. So it's giving you the overview of it. Next, if we want to know about the columns. Okay, so we have to write that regarding like df.info. So it's giving you about the columns. Okay, uh, here I am writing it uh, giving you regarding column. So we can write df dot info. Okay. Uh, Now, if I want to summary of the statistic, so how we can pull this data? What you have to write? So you have to write that describe which we previously talking about. Okay. So let's suppose I want to know the summary of statistics. So for this you have to write df dot describe, describe, describe. Okay, so this is the things. Next, if you want to deal with some missing values, okay. So for this you can write like that. If you if want to check the missing values, so you can write data function is equal to is null. Sorry, df dot is null dot sum. Okay. So this will give you the missing values. Okay. So remember these things. This is very critical things. You have to perform it again and again. So understand what is the functionality of it. Okay. So after completing these things, we'll move to univariate analysis. Okay. This is one one variable at a time. Okay. So we are giving you the overview regarding the numerical columns. Okay, how you can do it. So first I am writing here, then we will showcase how it looks in VS Code. Okay, I'm writing here because I want to explain each line. Okay, so that no gaps is there. Why this is that? That's why I'm writing here. So next line is next step is regarding uni VARIAT, univariate analysis. Okay, so one thing remember that basically one variable at a time we can perform here. One variable one variable at a time. So what here actually we perform? So here lots of things like we can work on histogram. Okay, uh, we'll showcase it, but histogram we can perform. We can perform like box plot for outlier. These things work on numerical columns. Okay, so now I am typing numerical columns. So, whenever we are working, let's suppose we are working on histogram. So, how we can define these things? Let's suppose I have some age range and I want to distribute using histogram. How we can do it? Okay, randomly I am writing data function, the age. Okay, whatever age it is, age dot histogram. Sorry, histogram. In short we can write hist, and here we are defining some value. So for this I am writing bin, let's suppose 20. Okay, and I am defining some color, color. Color is sky blue. Okay, sky blue. So after doing this, we have to write some title. Okay, what it looks when the the graph is there, you can see some graph, but we have to create some title. So now I'm giving the title, plot dot title, title. Okay, and here I am writing yeah, age distribution I want to do. So I am writing age distribution. Invitation. Okay, so I want to see the what is it looks like, so that's why I'm writing age distribution here. Next, we can like define the x value and y value. So I want to write plot dot x label. Okay, x label. Don't confuse it, guys, because in x-axis we are giving age and y-axis we are giving count. So at the end it looks better. That's why I'm writing it. Uh, we can write age, okay, in x level, and in plot y, like y level, y label. I think something I mismatch here. So we can write like that, L A V B E L label, and here we can write the count things. Okay, so we want to check counts also. So already we completed with this. We are working on histogram, so that's why we are writing like age histogram and defining some values. Next, whatever the name I want to showcase and the age and the column. Now it's time to like show. Okay, uh, plt dot show. So what it is, so after doing this, you guys are able to see this kind of things. Okay, where is the thing? See, this kind of age distribution, you can see that some age is there, some counts is there. So these things help you to figure out these things. Okay, I hope you guys understand. Now we are moving to box plot. Okay, how box plot is work, we will try to understand. Okay, so this is the things regarding histogram. Now, uh, uh, okay, so we are working on box plot. So in like command, we can write box plot. Okay, so for box plot, how we can using like cbon. Okay, so first we can define cbon dot box plot, uh, that the first value I am passing here, x is equal to df, and age. Okay, age we are defining here. Next, I want to add some color. Okay, whatever color the required to showcase your work, you can pass the value. You can write color. Let's suppose I need light green. Okay, so I am passing the value LIGHT, light green. See, again, I am telling, so I am working with the outlier regarding box plot. So for this, you have to pass the value, that is SNS dot box plot is equal to like not equal to x equal to data function age color. Okay. After this, you have to create some title. Okay. Whatever you want to showcase. So plot dot title title. So here I want to see, let's suppose yeah, box plot of age, we can write box plot of age. Okay, and at the end you have to write uh so. Okay, that gives you the output. Okay, plot dot so. Okay, uh, yeah, so how it looks like, see, we do same kind of thing, so it's giving you the box plot of the age. Okay, so you can see this kind of thing we perform, and at the end you can see this kind of visualization. Okay, next we are try to understand some categorical column. Okay, using count plot, or how it looks like and what it is, what is the functionality of it. Okay, categorical categorical column, columns. Okay. Okay. Now we can do like, yes. So using C1, we can pass the uh like, let's see what it looks like. SNS dot count plot we are using. Okay, count count plot, and here we are passing the values of x value. Okay, x is equal to, let's suppose, class. Okay, classes class, and here we are defining date. Data is equal to data function. Okay, next we want to give some name. So for this we can write plot dot title, title, plot dot title. Here I want to give some name that is regarding uh, so I am doing here class. So we can write the passenger class count. Okay, in a train, how many passengers are boarded, how we can track it. So that's why I'm writing passenger class count. Okay, at the end, the things that is we have to showcase. So for this we have to write so. Okay, so how it's actually look like, we can see that the passenger class count, the first class how many people are there, 200. Second class, to some people less than 200, like 180. In third class, 500 people are there. So using this you can easily create a visualization technique to your higher authority to showcase this. uh, this is the things you can did. Okay, so this is the things. Now we have to like in previously we are discussing regarding one variable at a time. Okay, so now we are discussing regarding by variable analysis, that is regarding the two variable how you can do. Okay, next is step how much steps we discussed. Okay, step 5, step 4, step 5 now it is. So here we have to like uh, y va r I a y variety analysis. So here you can work with two variable. Okay, two VARIABLE, two variable. So how we can write the code here? Okay, so let's suppose we are working with age distribution by gender. Okay, so for this how we can do? uh, I'm writing here to clear this thing. So we are working on age distribution, distribution, age distribution by gender. So for this, what you have to do? So here we are taking help. We need help of hist plot. Okay. So for this, we are writing C1 dot uh, hist plot. HISTPLOT, hist plot. Okay. Here we are defining like what is the age, what is the sex of the like male, female. Okay, so this kind of thing we are passing here. Okay, it's very simple. It's totally depend upon your thought. Okay, whatever you are thinking here, the things you can give the real things. Okay, whatever you think, just write it. It give the uh, visualization things. Okay, so that's why it's named visualization. Whatever you think, you can give this step here. So here I am writing data function, data function. Okay, next I have like x, I am writing here age. Okay, age value. Next we can like write u is equal to 6. Okay, yeah. Next, we can pass the value that is like multiplet. Okay, multiplet, multiplet. So here I am passing the value that is regarding the stack. Okay, we'll discuss it why we are writing this kind of things. Uh, Next, I am creating the hist plot. But next, what I have to do, so I give some name to it. So plot dot title title, and here I want to like age age by gender. Okay, so I write here, and ultimately I have to do that plot dot show. Okay, so whenever you did this, you can see the age distribution things. Okay, so this is the visualization things. You can see that the male female is there, how many people are there, count the age. On the basis of that, you can see this kind of visualization. Okay, now we are moving to some two axis. So in here I am working with x axis, and now I want to add some y axis. Okay, where it is, yeah. So let's suppose we want to add something. So c1 dot bar plots. I am now here introduced to bar plot. Here I can write x equal to 6. Okay, uh, whatever male female it is. Next, y is equal to uh, like survived, survived, survived. And one more things that always you have to write data is equal to data function. And now what the name I want to give here, sorry guys, plot dot title. Okay, so here I want to write that is uh, survived uh, rate by gender. Okay, is you are v survival rate by gender, and at the end I want to show. Okay, so for this plot dot show. So how it looks like basically, so it's looks like that. Okay, the male and female ratio is there, so you can see this. So in this way you can write two variable also. Apart from this, you can work with multi-variable analysis. Okay, so you can write age, like whatever you have. Okay, you can like here the pair plot. You can use some age, fair, this kind of things you can write, and at the end you can see that this is the output you are getting. Okay, so for this here we are using some heat map correlation to figure out this. So easily you can pass something that age, fair, uh, uh, PC class, this kind of thing you can do. Okay, this is the thing for visualization. But how you can work on suppose you have some like handling missing values. Okay, how you can work on it. Okay, I'll give this overview also. So the thing is that now what the step it is. Okay, let it be whatever step it is, handling the missing data. So how you can handle your missing data? So see, you can like visualize the missing values. So for this you have to write SNS dot heat map. Okay, you can use heat map here, heat map. And what I giving you, like here you have to use the is null concept. Okay, so I'm writing here df dot is null. Okay, is null. And here we are passing the value that is c bar. Okay, that is false. C bar is equal to false. FALAC. And you can write C map also. Yeah, anything, any issue? Okay, I think someone is unmuted. We'll continue it. So, how you can handle with missing data? I'm telling that you can using heat map and using is null concept to do it. Okay. See, here I am using C bar and C map also you have to define. Okay. So at the end you have to write like title in the same way, plot dot title title, and whatever you want to do you can pass it, and at the same way you can write plot dot. So you follow this technique to correct whatever you want to change you can do. Apart from this you can use the drop or immute things. This is the same kind of things you can do. I hope these things is clear. So you can also handle with some outlier if you are thought that you want to detect something and you want to handle with it, you can do it. And one more things that is required also, some feature relation. If you want to establish some relation within it, you can simply write cborn dot scatter plot, and you want to pass x value, y value, huge value, and whatever you want you can write it, and you can create the uh, mm, things. Okay, so this is the visualization things I created you guys, and also explain that what is the meaning of each line. After this class, don't worry, I'll share this document with you guys so that you can refer it. See, it's very easy. Whatever data you have, first it pull it here. You can write. We are writing shape or whatever rows and column we have. We can see these things, and for visualization we are using like a histogram. Okay, age distribution, box plot, this kind of things we already performed. Okay, I hope you guys able to understand this what it is and how it's work. And if you do simply the EDA things I also did, also like save info describe all the things I mentioned here. Okay, some technique, some issue is there, ignore these things. Okay, I'll give like here I also perform the same kind of things for you guys. Okay, I hope these things is clear for everyone. If you have any doubt, feel free to ask me. Today's class is able to understand. If you are able to understand, gives a thumbs up so that I can understand it. Like you guys are understood it. Pavni, Priyanka, Pavitra is giving thumbs up. Komal, Varna, Aditya. Okay. Um, any question, any doubt you have, feel free to ask me. Again, I'll recap this thing. So here you can stop sharing my screen. So this kind of things you can perform. After this class I'll share this. Please refer these things because it's important things. Without EDA data analytics, like it's not like nothing, but EDA played a critical role in data analytics. Okay, so please guys don't miss with it. Do proper practice. Okay, so here you can refer histogram technique, box plot technique, bar plot technique, seaborn, matplotlib, whatever you have, you can implement. It can help you. Okay, this is the things from my end. If you have anything want to know, feel free to ask me. No questions? And then
No questions.
Okay.
Vishal has raised his hand.
Yeah. What question you have? Okay, I think unmuted by mistake. Okay.
हेलो सर।
Yeah.
सर माय क्वेश्चंस कि हम अपन 3D ग्राफ्स कैसे बना सकते हैं सर?
सो सी 3D ग्राफ बनाने के लिए मैं जो विजुअलाइजेशन टूल बोला हूँ ना, प्लीज रेफर दिस थिंग्स। सो व्हेनेवर यू ट्राइड द सी लाइक मैटप्लॉटलिब, सीबॉर्न एंड द ऑल थिंग्स मैंने बोला ना, और मैंने ऑल्सो दिखाया आप लोगों को जो कैसे आप लोग लिख सकते हैं। सो आप लोग ये टेक्निक यूज कीजिए, सिंपली ये 2-3 लाइन का कोड ऑटोमेटिकली, एंड आपका सिस्टम में ये इंस्टॉल होना चाहिए, लाइक द व्हाट एवर लाइब्रेरीज इट हैव, मैटप्लॉटलिब, सीबॉर्न। ओके, सो व्हेनेवर आप ये कोड रन करेंगे ये ऑटोमेटिकली आ जाएगा। क्लियर विशल?
ओ, ओके सर।
इट्स वेरी इजी। फर्स्ट आप कमेंट प्रॉम्प्ट पे जाइए, और जो जो लाइब्रेरी आपको अच्छा लग रही है, और लाइक पांडास, सीबॉर्न, मैटप्लॉटलिब, ये चीज इंस्टॉल कीजिए और कोड लिखिए। आपने आप ये चीज आपने आपके सामने आ जाएगा। वेट, इट्स वेरी इजी। ट्राई कीजिए, नेक्स्ट क्लास में नहीं हुआ तो आई ऑल्सो गाइड यू।
थैंक यू सर।
या नॉट एन इशू। एनी मोर क्वेश्चन? I hope this session will help you to understand EDA. Whatever the step I shared with you guys, I also try to create a note for you that follow this technique to whenever you guys did these things, follow these techniques. This will help you to do it. Okay. And after this class, I'll share this like VS Code thing so that you can follow this. Okay, guys, if you don't have any question, I'll wrap up the session over here. I will see you in next class. In next class, we'll understand like the key K-mean cluster, how we can work with it. But my humble request to everyone, guys, don't mess with EDA things. Please do practice multiple time. If you are facing issue like whatever I discussed with you guys, that like in previously, like shape, info, head, describe, is null, what it is, write in a rough pen paper, try to understand how it's work, then move to Jupyter Notebook or VS Code, then practice at least 2 times. Okay, that can give you a overview. Okay, guys, please be practice on it. We'll see you in next class. Thank you guys for attending the session. Any
Thank you,
question?
sir.
No question.
No, sir. No.
Okay.